Very special, if you know what I mean. Special like my mom tells me I am. What springs am I swapping in? I am swapping in KBD mod, 55 gram, lubed in LSD oil, proper high tier, probably the best spring that has ever existed, in my opinion. Also not available for sale for the past 7 years. But lovely. Everybody that's tried my KBD mod 55 grams has all said the same thing. All of them are like, I don't understand, but this feels so much better than any spring I've ever felt. Like, it's nice to have a super consistent, like, good spring versus like the springs that we're used to, where like one switch feels 20 grams heavier than another switch, which is infuriating. All right, we need a little bit more tea. We need some tea. And we also need to like point our macro cam in the correct direction. All right, don't mind the blurry mess. Oh yeah, that's good. Are spritz springs considered good? The springs themselves are okay on like more on the good side, but the guy has a history of scamming. The springs themselves are okay. If you buy the stainless steel, obviously not the gold plated. I came here to say I mind the blurriness. Do you? Do you? Do you mind the blurriness? Do you love it when it's blurry? I can make it blurry for you, baby. Oh, look at that. Look at this beautiful image quality. Wait, can I blur it the other way? Yeah, look at that. Oh, baby. Look. Oh my God. This is what 69 gram springs feel like. All right, enough fucking around. Let's actually get these done. And also have some tea. My housemates were like, what the fuck are you watching at 8 a.m. in the morning? You're watching the best content. You have many choices in keyboard streamers, and you know for a fact you've made the wrong choice. Looks like Mech Market pictures of small dents on a keyboard. I've been there. I've been there. I think we've all been there. Check Discord. Is that an automated message? I don't see any missing piece. What? Greetings. We found some of the products you purchased are missing small quality inspection. It's possible the seller missed when shipping and... What? I have no idea, Paul. I've never received a message like this. I can see that there's what looks like printing issues, actually. So, detective mode. All right, I'm gonna copy this. Fuck, I don't have a keyboard, but if you look right here and right here, it looks like the when it printed, it like misaligned some of the print lines. Like, you look at the ears and look at the pill. So maybe they're talking about that. So the printing quality is like not great. I don't know if that's just the picture, but it could be that. Could be that. But yeah, that's the nice thing about Superbuy, is if like something is terribly wrong with it, they'll be like, hey bro, something's terribly wrong with this. Instead of having to ship it all the way here and then being shit out of luck. For $5, it's still dope? Yeah, I mean, obviously. Can't beat the price. Is this your alpaca switch or somebody else's? That is actually a really good question. I've made a mistake. Well, I mean, Sam sent these to me. But my plan is to make them usable and actually use them in a keyboard and see how they are long term. These used to be Sam's alpacas, but these are now my alpacas. There are many alpacas like these, but these ones are mine. Getting free shit, no complaints. Are alpacas factory lubed? Yes, they are. We actually took an in-depth look on the macro cam of the bottom, and you can see a lot of oil all over the place. Knobs. Hey, thank you, baby souffler, for your sub, and welcome to the esteemed eggplant squad for the fanciest of lads. When is the SP Star review? I'm probably not going to review it. I don't review switches. Because, okay, so here's my thing with switches. Everybody else reviews switches by, like, looking at it and being like, oh, it's a nice switch. That's not how you fucking review a switch. Like, what I would do is, first of all, get them basically stock, build them into a board, use them for 30 to 40 days, then mod them, then use them for another 30 to 40 days, and then do a final review. But, like, at that point, like, it doesn't matter because a billion other guys are going to have reviews and people are going to listen to their reviews instead of mine. So the amount of effort that I actually need to put in versus the reward that I get is not worth it. Have I seen the Mode 80 TKL? I have not, but we might look at it this Sunday. Cough, Sam, cough. Favorite cable maker? Cable card designs, though he doesn't make them anymore. Well, not for, you know, you. He's also my favorite keyboard maker. He's one of my favorite keyboard makers. Yes, you will? Okay, so Sam knows. So we are going to look at it on Sunday, that Mode 80. In general, I don't like to look at things before my Sunday group buy review so that my initial impressions are true. Do I have any through-hole kits on your collection? I have an AEK64, which has some through-hole diodes, but that's pretty much it. You should look at Mode 80. I can't break the tradition. It's Sunday group buy reviews, always. It has to be on Sunday. If I look at it before and I take a sneak peek, then I'm already going to develop develop impressions about it and have my own opinion going in. And I don't want that. That's against the spirit of Sunday group buy reviews. The spirit is to look at things and get as angry as possible. God damn, that's good tea. I mean, it's cold now, so. I feel like you're gonna get real mad. Nice. Thoughts on Argyle? The Argyle is spectacular and I love it. And I cannot wait for the 65% variant. I'm not a big 60 guy. Like, 60 is cute, but I just literally can't use it. Oh shit, I forgot about your plate. Uh-huh. You don't say. You don't say. When did you get the files? Like January? 60% with arrows is okay. Mods, you know what to do. I'm not gonna do anything. God damn it, Paul. You're the worst mod. Simon, you can't get the raised parts of the plate. Yeah, I know. Dude, H, I understand how manufacturing works. SMH. See? Sam's a good mod. How will it work though? Believe it or not, well, there are multiple things. One, I can just make the plate entirely thicker if it's going to be plastic. Thing number two is I'm looking at grommets in slightly different sizes, with basically the same footprint. Oh, it's missing brushes. That's interesting. Why did I make the brass elevated in the first place? Do you just hate money? Yes. How do you guys not fucking know this? Yes, I fucking hate money. Exclamation profit. Look at my stream profit. You think I like money? Fuck money. Money's the worst.